2.2 liter with a supercharger, and it's all the internals are all titanium internals, 8.5-to-1 compression with a supercharger, Vortex supercharger. It's capable of 26 pounds of boost. Right now I'm running about 12. It's plenty for this little car. It's only got, the car is probably, 2,200 pounds. Yeah.
That's light.
Yeah. Yeah. It's got Brembo. Brembo brakes. It's all designed for this particular car. I had to call Brembo to have it made. Front brakes.
Yeah, that's.
It's a full race. You can see that it's that color Brembo is full race.
Yeah, I love the striking red paint on the whole thing.
Yeah, it's the original color, but it's of course been repainted. The wide body, it's all handmade.
Nice.
315 tires, 18 by 12 on the rear, 18 by 10 on the front.
Who built the motor?
No, Pete McHenry is the one who built
Yeah, I was
the motor.
actually gonna ask. That's like the M.
Sadly he passed, but this guy's a guru. He makes all his parts.
Okay.
It's
awesome.
all titanium, parts.
That's incredible.
All this pipings and everything. It's all hand built. Of course, you can't buy that kind of stuff. It's not available.
Right. Handcrafted.
The radiators 4-row radiator.
You know what, it changes the whole dynamic.
What about the inside?
No, it's fucking awesome. I just wow.
This interior is this is Sparco, but had it stitched with the M emblem embroidered.
That's awesome. Roll cage.
Roll cage, and then the steering is out of an Evo
If you buy separately,
steering
There you go. And you got the harnesses.
harness.
Safety
seatbelt.
first. We got the fire.
Fire hydrant,
extinguisher back there?
extinguisher, yep. And then the Haltech system there for management system for the engine management
Yeah.
and the glove box.
Sweet. Sweet, man. Well, thank you for sharing with us about your car.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, y'all. That's Cars and Coffee. If you like what you're seeing here, just hit that subscribe button and maybe even the like button if you can. And let us know in the comments any kind of stuff that you like and what you don't like. That'd be awesome.